Breaking news: Court issues notice against DSS director, threatens to jail him for denying Nnamdi Kanu access to his lawyers. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this headline that we got in this morning. As our headline for this morning says here, that breaking news: Court issues notice against DSS director, threatens to jail him for denying Nnamdi Kanu access to his lawyers. The court, in the notice dated October 13, 2024, and signed by its registrar, threatens that the DSS boss would be committed to prison if he continues to disobey court orders by denying the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB) Nnamdi Kanu access to his lawyers. The Federal High Court, sitting in Abuja on Friday, issued a notice of consequences against the Director General of Department of State Services (DSS) Adeola Oluwatosin Ajayi for contempt of court. The court, in the notice dated October 18, 2024, and signed by its registrar, threatens that the DSS boss would be committed to prison if he continues to disobey court orders by denying the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB) Nnamdi Kanu access to his lawyers. The notice read: Take notice that unless you disobey the direction contained in this order, see overleaf, by allowing the applicant counsel to conduct the court-ordered visitation with the appellant on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you'll be guilty of contempt of court and will be liable to committed to prison. Confirming the development, Kanu Special Counsel Barrister Alo Ejimako said that the notice by the court was necessitated by the DSS's repeated disobedience of the court order 3 days in a week visitation of Kanu by his lawyer. Ejimako said that with the court notice, if the DSS director Ajayi continues to deny them access to Kanu, the IPOB legal team will be left with no option but to commence vigorous contempt proceeding against him. Ejimako said, this notice is necessitated by the repeated disobedience of the court-ordered visitation of Mazi Kanu by the newly appointed Director General of the State Security Services, Mr. Adeola Oluwatosin Ajayi, who has for almost a month not allowed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer to visit him. To be clear, this notice is a criminal judicial process that forewarns any person disobeying a court order for the penal consequences of such misconduct. Therefore, if the um, Director General of the DSS persists in the ignoble path, he will leave us with no other option than to commence vigorous contempt proceeding against him. Recall that Justice Binta Wanko had in a judgment delivered on May 20, 2024, issued an order varying the condition of visitation to Kanu in the DSS custody for 3 days a week. The court ordered that he is to be given a safe and clean room, to be made available to defendant at the present facility, to prepare for his defense with his team of counsel not exceeding 5 in number, that they should be allowed such facility that is required for the preparation of his defense and be allowed to take notes. However, Kanu's legal team has on several occasions raised an alarm that the DSS moved from secretly recording their conversation with Kanu to completely denying them access to Kanu, hence making it impossible for them to prepare Kanu for his defense. And that is what we have for you guys concerning this headline today this morning, which says here that breaking news: Court issues notice against DSS director, threatening to jail him for denying Nnamdi Kanu access to his lawyers. And well, of course, yes, I really like what Ejimako did. Seriously, I really like what Ejimako and Ejiofor really did, because it has gotten to the point where as that after that Nnamdi Kanu and Justice Binta whole drama, the DSS said that nobody is going to see Nnamdi Kanu. Like seriously, that is very bad, and it is going against court proceeding. We all know that the court have told DSS that they should not obstruct when the lawyers come to visit Nnamdi Kanu. They should just allow them jejely. And now looking at things over here, the DSS did not anybody, not even his mommy or nobody, no family members, no lawyer to see Nnamdi Kanu for what? Ejimako said that the DSS are following directors are following orders from the federal government, which is against the court's ruling. Ejimako was not happy, so you have to take legal means concerning this. Mhm. And now the court have said that, and now the court has said that if the DSS obstructs the lawyers from seeing and Kanu, the chairman of DSS, Mr. Ajayi, can go to prison for that because enough is enough. This is not the first time that they're doing this. They will do it. They will report to court. They will allow them. They will do it. It's already getting annoying. They said if the DSS obstruct them one time, just once, Mr. Ajayi is going to prison, and I love it. Yes, I love it. Ah, I don't know what the federal government or the DSS just has to have against Nnamdi Kanu. Seriously, they have to just keep in this kind of condition. Now, as I'm telling you now, the lawyers can now be able to see Nnamdi Kanu in the 3 times a week that he was given. Ah, because it's very quite annoying. Whereas you come to see somebody and are telling them no, go back for what? For what possible reason? Well, the fact that Ejimako and Ejipo took legal action against all this maltreatment from DSS. That is the best thing. And I really hope they get success concerning their court hearing with Nnamdi Kanu. Mm-hmm. Yes. Well, one thing is for sure, the DSS is not going to stop them unless the chairman feel like going to jail. No, that one is sure. The DSS boss would not threaten that they will not stop that visitation unless you feel like it's going to jail. What do you guys think? Drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Then tap the subscribe button as a big girl. Do the notification bell so anytime I have any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.